I smell trouble.
You smell, you don't have a nose.
He doesn't need a nose to smell. Pew, pew, pew.
Ooh, how long did I sleep?
Only 3 years, Rip Van Cleo. Devotion 43.
43? I slept 3 days?
Correct, Princess Valium. Anyways, 43. From the time he was just a child, Samuel was growing up in the house of the Lord serving. His mother honored her vow to give him to the Lord forever. It surely must have been difficult to leave him there, but she did. However, she did not just move on with life without him. She remained fully invested in the process in every way that she could. 1 Samuel 2:19. Moreover, his mother made him a little coat and brought it to him from year to year when she came up with her husband to offer the yearly sacrifice. She made him a little coat each year. With loving hands she spun and wove the fabric, and each year that they came up to worship, she had him a new coat. Each one would of necessity be just a bit bigger than the year before. Each year of his growth, therefore, required a bit more effort from her. And is that not exactly the way it is with our own children? As they grow stronger and more independent, it would seem like they would require less effort from us. But the exact opposite turns out to be true. The wise parent, especially when it comes to prayer and counsel, makes the coat a bit bigger every year. Parents, do pray more for your children and counsel them more each year that they grow. Don't hover and smother, but do make the coat just a bit bigger each year.
Prayer and counsel, very important for growing children.
Gee, 3 days sleep. I sure am hungry.
And don't hover and smother. Especially you, kitty.
I think we better move away from the pond for Finian's sake. Have a blessed day, friends.